Hello everyone, I'm Lawrence and welcome to International House Cairo, where the Arabic journey for learners from all around the world begins. In IH Cairo, we believe that learning Arabic isn't only about classes, it's about connecting with people, experiencing a culture, and immersing yourself in a city in which every interaction leads to learning something new.
IH World first opened its doors back in 1953.
It started with a simple idea that language learning should connect people, and that very same vision grew into something global. Today, IH Cairo is a part of the International House World Organization, a network of more than 160 schools in over 50 countries. So when you study here, you're not just joining one school, you're joining a worldwide community. When you step foot in IH Cairo, it won't feel like a typical language school. Ammo Ahmed greets you at the door with a warm smile, and all the while students are sipping their Ahwa Turki. From our modern classrooms and garden to our cozy cafe, it's a place where students can relax, connect, and improve their Arabic every day.
Our native Arabic teachers are certified in teaching Arabic as a foreign language and have over 130 years experience combined between them in teaching Arabic, whether in academic, cultural, or professional settings. We don't use outdated methodologies. Rather, we focus on helping students use Arabic confidently, using modern approaches, strategies, and frameworks.
Fusha is the formal Arabic you hear in news, literature, and education across the Arab world. Ammiya is what Egyptians speak every day. It's what Naguib Mahfouz spoke when ordering his usual and his favorite ahwa. It's in every Adil Imam scene. It's in the lyrics of Egyptian and Arab songs, from Kulthum to Amr Diab. And by the way, this influence that Egypt has on media and cinema also means that it happens to be the most widely understood dialect in the Arab world. Many of our students choose to study both, learning to move naturally between formal Arabic and the language people really use on the streets of Cairo. And some even take more advanced courses like media Arabic, translation, literature, and writing.
في IH كايرو نحن نؤمن بأهمية دمج الأنشطة الثقافية والفنية في العملية التعليمية، وهذا يشمل تعليم الأغاني العربية ومشاهدة الأفلام وفنون الخط العربي، وكذلك تجمع الطلاب من مستويات مختلفة على إفطار جماعي لاستخدام اللغة بشكل وظيفي. وهذا كله في النهاية يهدف إلى خلق بيئة تعليمية مفيدة وممتعة في نفس الوقت.
In Cairo, learning Arabic doesn't stop when you leave the classroom. Every taxi ride and every chat at the market are all part of the experience. We also organize cultural activities to help you dive deeper into Egyptian life. Whether it's exploring Al Moez Street, kayaking on the Nile, or learning how to cook mulukhiyah, every week there's something new. And I know you're going to have an unforgettable time in Cairo.
Studying here at International House has really helped me to consolidate what I've learned. My teacher's so patient and it's a really nice atmosphere here at the school.
Everything is flexible, the people have you on your mind, especially the teachers. It's not easy when you have like differences. One is really strong in this area and the other one is not, so they are really, really good and reaching out for you.
Something that I find unique about the teachers here, just how much they care. You feel like the teachers are genuinely interested in your progress. The school does a very good job of making it feel like home.
Doing karaoke with Abdul Fattah and a bit of boxing was quite memorable.
We had a cooking class at IH, which was really fun. We really enjoyed trying Egyptian foods.
It's a really good environment to practice your Arabic because everything we're doing in school, then we can like go on the street and practice it, and it's not very judgy.
We got to see a lot of different parts of the country, a lot of historical sites. We got to interact with locals.
Flukas, we've had really good times on flukas. I'd recommend going on a fluka.
I had high expectations, and I can say with like full confidence that Cairo has exceeded all of them.
We know that moving to a different country is hard, and as students are going to study abroad, you probably have lots of questions and concerns. Where should I stay? How can I travel around Cairo in Egypt? What should I wear? What apps should I download? You don't need to worry. Our team supports you every step of the way. So all you have to do is focus on enjoying your time in Egypt and making real progress in Arabic. We provide orientation sessions and tours for all incoming students to help answer all of these questions, and can also arrange airport pickup as well as convenient and comfortable accommodation options that are close to the school.
Egypt's lively capital is one of the most vibrant and welcoming cities in the world. IH Cairo is centrally located in a safe, cozy neighborhood where you'll find an array of embassies, coffee houses, bookshops, restaurants, supermarkets, gyms, and all the other amenities you could possibly need. It is also well connected to the rest of Cairo, just a short journey away from downtown Cairo and other popular cultural and residential districts. IH Cairo doesn't just provide you with another language course, rather will make you live it through Cairo, the capital of history, culture, and life itself.